Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Did PayPal buy out Venmo? Before we get into the answer, let's take a step back and talk about what PayPal and Venmo are. PayPal is a financial technology company that provides online payment services. It was founded in 1998 and is now one of the largest payment processors in the world. PayPal is used by millions of people to send and receive money online. Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows users to send and receive money to friends and family. It was founded in 2009 and was acquired by PayPal in 2013. Venmo is now one of the most popular payment apps in the United States. So, did PayPal buy out Venmo? The answer is yes, PayPal did buy out Venmo in 2013. However, Venmo continues to operate as an independent company. Body. Now that we know the answer to the question, let's take a closer look at the relationship between PayPal and Venmo. PayPal and Venmo are both owned by the same company, but they operate as separate businesses. PayPal is focused on providing a wide range of payment services, while Venmo is focused on peer-to-peer payments. PayPal and Venmo have a number of advantages to working together. For example, PayPal can use Venmo to reach a younger audience, and Venmo can benefit from PayPal's extensive network of merchants. In addition to the benefits of working together, PayPal and Venmo also have some disadvantages. For example, PayPal may be seen as less innovative than Venmo, and Venmo may be seen as less secure than PayPal. Despite the disadvantages, PayPal and Venmo have a strong partnership. The two companies are working together to provide their customers with the best possible payment experience. So, there you have it. PayPal did buy out Venmo in 2013, but the two companies continue to operate as separate businesses. PayPal and Venmo have a number of advantages and disadvantages to working together, but they have a strong partnership and are working to provide their customers with the best possible payment experience. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching.